So we've wrapped up another year in the Cricut world. Let's go over what happened in 2023. My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor. I've included links to the videos I've done about these things, as well as where to purchase them and the articles about them in the description of this video. So let's start by going over my hopes and predictions for 2023. I was hoping we would have full page print and cut, Bluetooth connectivity improves, processing speed would improve with projects, and there would be new adaptive tools for the Maker and Maker 3. I was predicting that there would also be more smart materials, at least 450,000 Cricut images, and less support for the Explore family machines, not including the Explore 3. So let's see how I did. Full page print and cut, we mostly got, so I gave it an in-between. Bluetooth connectivity also kind of maybe improved, so that got an in-between as well. Processing speed, the speed of some of the new machines has improved, so that one I gave a maybe 2 as well. There were no new adaptive tools for the Maker or Maker 3. Prediction-wise, more smart materials. There was one more smart material that I found added, but mostly they added other materials. I was correct on the number of Cricut images. We are now over 500,000. And less support for the Explore family machines. I gave an in-between as well because they did just add a get started flow to Design Space, which I was not expecting them to do. Cricut released a number of new materials, a lot of sticker related ones, which makes a lot of sense when we go over some of the other things that were new with Cricut in 2023. There's the new Cricut Venture, which is the largest cutting machine Cricut has released to date. There's the Cricut Joy Xtra, which is a mix between the Explore machines and the Cricut Joy, allowing print and cut, which circles back to why there's more sticker papers, because it can also do a full 8.5 by 11. The Cricut Design Space for Desktop software received 25 updates, as well as some new features. They introduced the warped text feature in Design Space, which is exclusive to Cricut Access subscribers for making with the warped text. If you don't have a Cricut Access subscription, you can still try it out. They also introduced the Create Sticker feature in Design Space, another one that you need Cricut Access to make the project, but it's designed to make print and cut stickers faster and easier. The Cricut Joy app started being discontinued in 2023. By the end of 2024, it will be completely gone, and with your Cricut Joy, you will need to use the Cricut Design Space app instead of the Cricut Joy app. So what do I hope and predict for 2024? I'm hoping that they will continue to add more useful Cricut Access features that apply to enough people to make Cricut Access worth it. I'm hoping Bluetooth and processing speed will continue to improve. I'm still hoping for new tools for the Maker and Maker 3. I'm predicting there will be another heat press of some sort or an update to one of the current ones. My guess is that by the end of 2024, there will be at least 750,000 Cricut images, and that support will continue to decline for the Explore family of machines, still not including the Explore 3. Let me know in the comments, what was your favorite thing that happened in 2023? What's going to happen with Cricut in 2024? Thanks so much for watching Hank's Maker Mentor, and until next time, bye.